The position property can be used to control the positioning of elements. This property accepts 5 different values. You have fixed, absolute, relative, static, and inherent. In this video, we will see fixed positioning. Fixed positioning allows you to fix the position of an element to a particular spot on the page, regardless of scrolling in relation to the browser window. It is commonly used with fixed headers and navigation bars. In this example, if a user has a long page of content, they don't have to scroll their way back to the top of the page to navigate, for example, to the About page. Facebook uses a fixed navbar, and also Twitter. So you can see that fixed positioning is almost everywhere. The position property is to be used with the top, left, right, and bottom properties. These properties can accept different values. They may accept positive values as well as negative values. So we can move it from the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. So let's start off by moving it from the top. Using the top property, and let's give it a value of 100 pixels. So with the top property, we were able to move our div 100 pixels from its original position from the top. So if you give to this property a positive value, this div will go down. But if you give it a negative value, it will go up. Note that if you give a fixed positioning to an element, its parent will no longer take its dimensions into account, because now it is related to the browser. So that was a side note. Now if we wanted to use the bottom property and give it a positive value, this will make our element to go up. And if we give it a negative value, it will go down. The same applies to the right and the left properties. So let's make it move from the left with 100 pixels. Great. Please keep in mind that you cannot have two conflicting values, like having the top property and the bottom property at the same time, or the right property and the left property at the same time. Otherwise, this will not work, or it will create some weird effects on different browsers.